Welcome to Pixit Pro. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to manually count particles in your sample. Open the measurement panel. Click Manual Count. Now, simply click on each non-round particle to start counting. Customize your labels. In the Manual Count window, you can change the color or font size. Just select a color to switch, and use the plus or minus buttons to adjust the text size. If you want to change the font type, go back to the measurement panel. Find Font Type. Choose your preferred style. And click Save, Export or clear your results. You can click Export in the Manual Count window, or open the auxiliary tool in the upper right corner to export the counting report. To remove all counted points, simply click Clear. And that's it! You've successfully performed a manual particle count in Pixit Pro. Pixit Pro, simple, precise, and powerful. Thank you for your attention.